Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exams Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss the post of Karnataka Judiciary Services, that is the post of civil judge in Karnataka government, and that is 94 post. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. So friends, there is a notification for the civil judge in the Karnataka government which has been notified by notification number HCRB/CGAR/1/2021 for the post 94 post of civil judge, which was notified on 26/3/2021, and the same can be applied through online. What does this notification is all about? There is a notification of 95 posts wherein for the direct recruitment a person must hold a degree in law granted by a university established by law in India and must have been enrolled as an advocate. B. Must have not completed as on last date fixed for receipt of application 38 years of age in case of candidate belonging to SC and ST, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, and 35 years of age in case of other. For ex-serviceman candidate, relaxation of 3 years in upper age limit is given. Please note that there is a notification and that is consisting of 16 pages. The initial pages are in Kannada, and after that you will find the pages in English translation. Also, the in-service candidate can also apply for the post and they must hold a degree in law established by a university in India and must not have completed as on last date of receipt of application 43 years of age in case of candidates belonging to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, and 40 years for the age in case of others. All in service candidate having required a qualification working in the High Court and the District Judiciary irrespective of their cadre are eligible to apply for the post of civil judge. Assistant Public Prosecutor come additional government pleaders who are working in the Department of Prosecution and Government Litigation are also eligible to apply for the post of civil judge. What is the scale of pay? That is 27,700 to 44,770. The general candidates general post in this is 11 for unreserved, women candidate 11, Karnataka medium 2, rural candidate 9, ex-servicemen 4, thereby making total of 37. And the rest of the vacancies are for SC and ST, and the category 1, 2, 3 in 1, 2, 2A and 2B, and 3, 3A and 3B, thereby total making a post of 94 posts. The direct recruitment method would be comprised of a main written examination and viva voce conducted by the High Court. The competitive examination for recruitment of civil judge shall consist of 3 stages: preliminary examination, main written test, and viva voce. Preliminary examination would be coming from Code of Civil Procedure, Negotiable Instrument Act, Transfer of Property Act, Indian Contract Act, Specific Relief Act, Indian Constitution, and Karnataka Rent Act. Part B would be comprised of Code of Criminal Procedure, Indian Penal Code, Indian Evidence Act, and Part C would be of general knowledge. In the main written examination, it would be comprised of translation paper. There will be one translation paper and the candidate will be required to translate pages in English into Kannada and Kannada into English. The passages will be in form of depositions, judgments, and documents. Second would be law paper 1, maximum 100 marks, the Code of Civil Procedure, Code of Criminal Procedure, Indian Evidence Act, Principles of Pleading, and the Constitution of India. Third, law paper 2, framing of issues and writing of judgments in civil cases. Part 4, law paper 3, framing of charges and writing of judgments in criminal cases. And after that, interview that be of 100 marks. And there would be also be a computer test, maximum marks of 25. So in this, the probation would be initially for 2 years, which can be extended as per the provision of Karnataka Civil Services Rule. And the dates: the last date for submission of online application is 27th of April 2021. till 11:59 p.m. and the last date of payment of fees through online is 30th of April 2021 till 11:59 p.m. The last date for payment of fees through challan would be 30th of April 2021 till bank's working hours. So preliminary examination fees would be in the general merit and category 2A, 2B, 3A and 3B will be rupees 500, and the candidate belonging to SC/ST category and category 1 shall remit a fees of rupees 250. Then the people who will be appearing for the examination and will be able to clear the preliminary examination, for the main examination they have to submit 1000 rupees in the general and category 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, and for SC/ST and category 1 would be 500 rupees. So friends, there as the last date is 27th of April, kindly fill up the application form whosoever desires to, and apply for the post of civil judge in Karnataka Judiciary Services. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. Thank you.